In this video, I will show you how to hide posts from someone. Unfortunately for Instagram though, you can't really hide your post to someone. It's not really the feature Instagram has. So in order for you to hide your post to someone, all you have to do is to click this button right here, these three lines. Then you just have to scroll down and make your account private. Now in order to do that, all you have to do is to tap on account privacy. And then you just have to toggle this on. Just have to switch to private so only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos that you did. So switch to private, hit that, and then just have to go back. Now if there's a certain someone that you don't want them to interact or to see any of your posts, all you have to do is to block them or restrict them. Now let's say this person right here. Now, in order for you to block them, all you have to do is to click these three dots right here and then click on block. Now you can block this person right here so they won't be able to message you or won't be able to see your contents real time. Another way is for you to restrict this person. All you have to do is to tap on this following button right here and then tap on this restrict button right here. This way, they won't see if you're online and when you read their messages. And they can comment to your post, but you won't be able to see them. So it's like they're invisible to you. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!